Have you ever wondered why
hidden
some
in the
people
simplest
remain
things of
calm
life
in difficult times?
a secret,
While
so
others are
quiet
overwhelmed by
that
stress
most people
and
walk
worry
past it
the answer
every day
often lies in understanding the
without
nature
noticing
of the
its power.
mind. It is not hidden
And learning
in gold, how to
fame,
live with
or
wisdom,
endless
ambition, awareness. It
and
is hidden
compassion.
in something
The
small,
journey begins
pure,
with a simple
and
realization.
Salt
Life
preserves what
is
would
constantly
otherwise
changing.
decay. Nothing remains
Salt
the same
purifies.
forever. Seasons
What has
change,
become
circumstances
unclean.
change. Salt gives
Relationships
flavor to what
change,
feels
and
empty.
even
our thoughts change
and lifeless
from moment
in the
to
same
moment.
way. There is
When
a
we
hidden
resist
quality
this natural
inside
flow,
the human spirit
we create
that
suffering
determines
for
whether
ourselves.
life becomes
when we
rich
accept change with
opportunity,
understanding,
or
we
dry
find
with
peace.
suffering.
That quality is
One of the
inner
most
purity.
important lessons for beginners
Most people spend their lives
is to
chasing
observe
life as it is. They search for
rather
lucky
than
numbers
as we wish it to be.
Lucky
Many
places.
people
spend their days
lucky
chasing
relationships,
in possessions,
and lucky
moments, status.
They believe fortune
or the
is
approval
something
of others.
random.
Yet lasting
Something
contentment
controlled
cannot be found
by the
outside
outside
world. True,
but true
peace comes from
does not
understanding
arrive from
the mind,
outside,
and cultivating
it is attracted
inner
by
balance,
the energy
the
you
next
carry within.
step. A muddy
is
lake
mindfulness.
cannot reflect the moon
Mindfulness
clearly, means being fully present.
But when the water
in the
becomes
current
still,
moment, the reflection
when
appears
eating,
naturally.
simply
The
eat.
same is true for
When
life.
walking,
When the mind
walk.
is noisy,
When
fearful,
listening,
jealous,
truly
and restless,
listless,
most suffering
opportunities
comes from
pass
dwelling
by
on the
unnoticed.
past. Peace
Or
cannot
worrying
enter a
about the
crowded
future.
mind. The present
Fortune
moment is where life
cannot
actually
remain
happens.
inside a heart
Another
filled
essential
with
teaching
bitterness
is
the
the
compassion.
ancient masters understood
Every
something
person
powerful.
carries
struggles that may not
Life
be visible.
responds to
Kindness
inner condition,
is not weakness.
the world.
It is a
mirrors
sign of strength and
the
wisdom
state
of your spirit.
A gentle
if your
word,
thoughts are poisoned
a patient
with anger,
response,
or a
life
helping
begins to
hand
taste bitter.
can transform someone's
If your
day
heart becomes
by treating
clean,
others with
calm,
compassion,
and
we also bring
disciplined
peace into our
life
own hearts.
slowly
Changes
beginners
its flavor.
should also
Salt
learn the importance
teaches a
of
silent
letting go.
lesson. Holding on to anger,
It dissolves
is
completely
like
before
carrying
it
a heavy
transforms
stone.
anything.
It
Wherever
does not
you go,
demand attention.
resentment harms the one who
It does
carries
not
it more than the one
announce its
toward
power.
whom it is directed.
Quietly, invisibly,
Forgiveness
it
does not
changes
mean
everything
it touches.
except
In the
change.
same way,
As a
real
natural part
transformation
of life
begins
everything
when the ego
is constantly changing.
And
Those who
accepting
constantly
this reality
seek recognition
helps reduce suffering,
remain trapped
brings
in hunger,
inner peace.
But those who learn silence begin
Life is a
attracting
continuous flow of
unexpected
change.
blessings. And understanding this
Infinite
truth luck is one of the most important steps
magic.
toward inner peace.
It is alignment.
Everything around us is
When your
constantly
actions are
transforming.
honest,
Your mind becomes
the seasons
lighter.
change.
When your words are
People
gentle,
grow
older,
relationships
begins to disappear.
evolve.
When
and
your desires
circumstances
become simpler, shift in ways we often
Anxiety
cannot
loosens
predict,
its
grip or
then
control. Something
yet many of our
extraordinary
struggles
come from
happens.
wanting things to remain exactly
Life
as they
starts
are. Opening doors.
We become
that
attached to
force
certain
could
situations,
never unlock.
expectations,
or
people,
outcomes. Suddenly,
and when
trust
reality
you,
moves in a different
opportunities
direction,
arrive naturally.
disappointment
Your intuition
and
suffering
sharpens.
arise. By accepting
You
change
avoid
as a natural
disasters
part
without
of
knowing
existence.
how.
You meet, we learn
right
to move
people
through life at the right
with greater
time.
ease.
What others call
and wisdom
coincidence
imagine
becomes your daily experience.
a
river flowing steadily
But
toward
this
the ocean
secret cannot
It
work
does not
in a
resist
restless
the rocks
soul.
in its path.
Many people
or
want
try to hold
abundance,
onto the water while
that has
feeding
already
negativity
passed.
every day. Instead,
It
they
continues
consume
forward,
envy, adapting to
gossip,
every curve and
greed,
obstacle.
and
In the
endless
same
comparison.
way, a peaceful
Then
mind
they wonder
learns to
why
adapt
life
rather
feels
than
heavy.
resist.
A
Acceptance
field
does not
filled
mean
with
giving
poison
up or
cannot
becoming
grow
passive.
healthy
It means
fruit.
recognizing
To attract
reality
endless
clearly
blessings
and responding
the
to
mind
it
must
wisely.
become
like pure salt. When we stop fighting
Clean,
against the
balanced,
inevitable
and
changes
essential
of life,
wake
we free
morning
ourselves
with
from
gratitude
unnecessary instead of
stress
complaint and anxiety.
Gratitude.
This understanding
changes
allows
the
us to
frequency
appreciate the present
of your
moment
spirit.
more deeply. Speak less, Remain
observe
balanced
more
during difficult times. Silence allows
and discover a
wisdom to
lasting
enter.
sense of calm.
Release resentment
that is not dependent
because
on
hatred
external
changes your energy to pain.
circumstances.
Practice mindfulness.
Walk slowly
daily
through life instead of rushing blindly.
Stay fully present in the
toward
moment
exhaustion
instead of dwelling
there
on
is
the past
great power
or
in
worrying
simplicity.
about the future.
Being
Trees
fully
grow
present in the
silently.
current moment is
The
a
sun
simple
rises
practice
without
applause.
Yet it has the
these
power
silent forces
to transform,
sustain
the
all
way
life.
we experience
in the same
life.
way.
Many
quiet
people
discipline
spend much of their
creates
time in thinking
invisible
about
strength.
past mistakes. Do not
Missed
chase
opportunities,
luck or
desperately.
painful memories.
Desperation
Others
pushes
become
blessings
consumed
away.
by worries about the
Instead,
future. Become the
imagining
kind of
problems,
luck that may
naturally
never
visits.
happen. As a result,
Become calm.
they miss
in
the
chaos.
only moment that
Become
truly
generous
exists
the
when
present.
others are selfish.
A peaceful,
Become
and
patient
focused
when
mind
others panic.
learns to return
Become
again
humble
and again
when
to what
others
is happening right
seek
now.
superiority.
When you eat a meal,
True luck
pay attention
comes
to the
from
taste,
inner peace,
texture,
not
and
external
nourishment it
chasing.
provides.
Real
When you
fortune
walk,
is attracted
notice each
through
step
a calm,
and the sensations
pure,
of
and balanced mind.
When
Rather
speaking
than
with
desperate
someone,
pursuit of
listen
success,
carefully instead of preparing your
or
next
recognition.
response.
Most
These small
people
acts of
spend
awareness
their entire lives
help train the mind to stay
searching for
grounded
luck
in reality,
in the outside world,
rather than becoming
chase
lost
money,
in
status,
endless thoughts.
attention,
The more often
and
this
power.
practice is repeated,
believing that one
the stronger
perfect
the habit
moment
of presence
will
becomes.
finally change everything.
Doubts
They
will
look
still
for lucky
arise,
signs, lucky
and
numbers,
distractions will still appear.
lucky opportunities.
The goal is not
and
to
lucky
stop
people,
thinking, but the more desperately
to
they
observe
chase
these
these things without being carried
the
away
further
by
peace
them. By
seems to
gently
move
bringing
away from
attention
them.
back to
Their
the present
minds
moment,
become restless.
the mind becomes calmer,
filled with
and
fear
clear and anxiety.
Over time,
Always
this
worried
awareness
about
reduces
losing
stress,
what they have,
improves
or failing
concentration,
to gain what they desire,
and creates a
in this
deeper
endless
appreciation
chase
for everyday experiences.
They overlook the
in the
greatest
present
truth
moment.
of all. There is a sense
True
of
luck
peace that
is
cannot
not
be
something
found
you hunt.
in memories.
It is
of the
something
past you attract
or
through
worries
the
about the
condition
future
of your
Cultivate
inner world.
compassion
and
a
a calm
kindness.
mind has a strange
Treat
power
others with
that
understanding
most
and
people
empathy
never understand.
recognizing that
when
everyone
everyone faces
peaceful,
challenges,
in
clear
life,
decisions
compassion
become
and
easier.
kindness
Problems
are among the
no
most
longer
powerful
appear
qualities.
impossible. Fear
A
loses
person can
control
develop
over your
actions.
individual carries struggles.
You begin to notice
worries,
opportunities
and challenges
that were always
that
present,
may not be visible
but
to
hidden
others
beneath
a
mental
person
noise.
who appears strong
Many
on
people
the outside
miss blessings,
may
not
be fighting
because life
a
is
difficult
unfair,
battle within, but because their minds are too
Understanding
distracted
this reality
to recognize
helps
them.
us treat
a restless
others
mind with greater
sees
patience,
obstacles
empathy
everywhere,
and respect, rather
A
than
peaceful
reacting
mind
with anger,
sees
judgment,
pathways.
or harsh words. Think about how nature
We can
works.
choose
to respond with
A
understanding.
lake disturbed
and
by
care.
storms
Kindness does not
cannot
require
reflect
grand
the
gestures
beauty
of the moon, but when the
Often,
water becomes
the smallest
still, actions have the
the
greatest
reflection
impact. Appears naturally
sincere
without
smile,
effort.
a thoughtful
Human
word,
life,
a listening
follows
ear,
the same
or a
law.
simple act of generosity.
When your
can
thoughts are
brighten
filled with
someone's
anger
day
and
ease
envy,
their burden,
desperation,
these actions create
and comparison
positive
connections,
your inner
and help
vision
build a more
becomes cloudy.
peaceful environment.
You
for
react
everyone.
emotionally.
When
Make
compassion
poor
becomes
choices,
a habit, damage,
relationships
grow
grow
stronger, and
conflicts
conflicts become
unnecessary
easier to
suffering.
resolve. Then
Compassion
you call it bad luck,
should also be extended
but
to
often
ourselves.
it is simply
Many
the
people
result
are quick
of
to
inner
criticize
chaos
their mistakes
and shortcomings.
Peace treating
Creates
yourself
a different kind
with
of
the
energy.
same patience
People trust
and
those who are
understanding
calm that you would offer,
because calmness
a friend
feels
encourages growth,
opportunities
and emotional
move
toward
balance.
people.
Self-compassion
who are balanced
is not about
because
avoiding
balanced
responsibility.
people make wiser decisions.
It is about
learning
even
from
during
experiences
difficulties
without becoming
peaceful
trapped
individuals
by guilt
remain
or
centered
self-judgment
instead of collapsing
as
into
kindness.
panic.
This allows them to
become
see solutions
daily
while
life.
others only see
They
disaster.
naturally
influence. What
Thoughts,
appears to be luck
words,
is often the hidden
and
reward
actions.
of inner
This
stability.
creates a sense
There is
of
also
harmony
great
within
strength
the heart
in releasing excessive
and
desire.
contributes to a more meaningful,
Desperation pushes
peaceful,
good things away
and
because
fulfilling
it
life
creates fear
for both
and
ourselves
attachment. A
and those
person
around
obsessed
us.
with
Let
outcomes
go
becomes
anger.
blind.
Attachment
They force situations,
and excessive desire.
manipulate others, and
Release
exhaust themselves
resentment
emotionally,
and
reducing
someone who
endless
lacks
cravings,
patience and
inner
leads to
confidence,
greater freedom
and
create
contentment.
space for life
Many
to
of the
unfold
burdens people
naturally.
carry throughout
This
life,
quiet trust attracts
come from
unexpected
holding on too
opportunities
tightly to anger, because it removes the heavy
Attachment
energy of fear and endless
Gratitude
desires.
also transforms
When someone
the
hurts
mind
us,
in powerful ways.
the mind often replays the event
A grateful
repeatedly.
person stops focusing on what is
keeping
missing
the pain alive
and
long
begins
after the moment
recognizing
has passed.
what
Anger
already
may
exists.
feel justified.
This simple shift,
But carrying it for days,
changes
months,
or
how
even
life
years
is only
experienced.
disturbs our
The
own
heart
peace.
becomes
Letting
lighter.
go does not mean forgetting what
Joy
happened
becomes
or
easier to
pretending
access.
that wrongdoing is acceptable.
Relationships improve
because
It means
appreciation
choosing not
replaces
to allow
constant
resentment to
dissatisfaction.
control our
A
thoughts
grateful spirit
and emotions.
naturally
In
attracts
doing so,
more positivity.
we free ourselves
because it
from
no
a heavy
longer
burden
radiates and
emptiness.
creates space.
True luck
For healing is deeply
Attachment
connected
can also
to
become
awareness.
a source of suffering.
When you slow down,
We often become
more
attached to
conscious
people,
of your thoughts,
possessions,
words,
expectations,
and actions,
or specific
life
outcomes.
changes.
Subtly,
While it is natural
but
to value
powerfully,
these things,
you
avoid conflicts.
Problems
that would have
arise
harmed
when we
you.
believe our happiness
You
depends
sense danger
entirely
before it
on them.
arrives. Life
You
is
choose
constantly changing.
healthier relationships,
and anything we cling to
you
too
speak
tightly
more wisely.
may eventually
These small
change.
changes create
or
entirely
disappear.
different
Learning
outcomes
to
over
appreciate
time.
what we have,
The mind
without
reflects
reflects the quality of
completely
life,
dependent on
just
it.
like still
Brings
water
greater
reflects the moon.
emotional
Clearly, balance,
A peaceful
excessive
and
desire
disciplined
works
mind
in a similar
allows
way.
wisdom,
The
opportunities,
mind continually
and
seeks
blessings
more
to
success
appear
naturally.
The
The
human
human
mind
is like
more
a mirror,
recognition or more possessions.
Yet when
Whatever
one desire is
exists inside
fulfilled,
it,
eventually
another
reflects
soon
into
takes
daily
its
life.
place.
If the mirror
Lasting
is covered in
contentment
dust,
comes
even
not
the
from
brightest light
satisfying
cannot be
every
seen
craving,
clearly, but from developing
In the
gratitude.
same way, when
and
the mind
inner
is
peace,
clouded by
by
fear,
releasing anger,
jealousy,
loosening unhealthy
and endless
attachments,
distraction,
and reducing
life
endless
itself
cravings,
begins to feel confusing
we
and
create
heavy.
a calmer